Are you tired of overpacking or struggling with bulky luggage at the airport? The right luggage and smart packing can transform your travel experience. Let's start with luggage types. Choosing the right one depends on your trip length and purpose. Here's a quick breakdown. Underseat luggage is compact and perfect for day trips. Carry-on luggage works best for 3 to 5 day trips. It's ideal for avoiding checked luggage fees on most airlines. Need more space? The check-in medium or large bags are for longer adventures. Now onto packing. Here's how to pack efficiently based on your trip type. For short trips, stick to a carry-on. Use packing cubes to organize clothes and roll your clothes to save space. For longer trips, especially in winter, opt for compression bags for bulky jackets. Place heavier items like shoes at the base for better weight distribution. Always bundle your outfits together for easier unpacking. Use the inside of shoes to store small items. If packing liquids, double seal them in plastic bags. If traveling for work, consider a carry-on with a laptop compartment. For shopping trips, expandable luggage is a lifesaver. Don't underestimate the importance of wheels. Always invest in durable, lightweight luggage to enhance your travel experience. You are now ready for your next adventure. Have a safe flight. Don't forget to like and subscribe.